Transforming my MK4 Supra with a wide-body kit is not just a modification, it's an evolution. The moment I decided to enhance its silhouette, I knew I wanted something that exudes both power and elegance. The wide-body kit I chose is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability while maintaining that sleek aesthetic. Every curve and contour is designed to improve aerodynamics, allowing for better handling at high speeds. The aggressive stance not only turns heads, but also enhances the car's performance. I've paired it with a custom paint job that highlights the new lines, making it truly one of a kind. Upgrading the suspension to accommodate the wider track has been a game changer, providing a more responsive driving experience. This transformation is about more than looks. It's about creating a masterpiece that embodies the spirit of the Supra. Each detail reflects my passion for automotive excellence, and I can't wait to hit the road and feel the difference.